Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Ooh, I got something oddly satisfying for you. Something that you should be doing every night. No, just kidding. Not every night. Maybe you need to. Maybe every quarter you should be doing this. But if you look here inside my shoe, and you may be saying to yourself, Andrea, why do you have your shoes on your bed? These are my house shoes. I only wear them in the house, and I also clean them. I'm kind of a weirdo and a freak like that. So inside here, you're going to take a napkin of some sort. You are going to take a coffee filter. I'll share with you in just a second what my favorite thing to use is when you're doing this. I didn't have it on hand, but I will share that with you in case you have it on hand. Inside of here is, can you guess what it kind of looks like? Peed snow, doesn't it? Haha. Some baking soda, much like you would use in your refrigerator. It's going to help absorb moisture. But the key is you want to have something really sheer so that it can properly absorb the moisture inside of your shoes. You can do this exact same method with a gym bag in your car. I have a secret ingredient for you that you are going to want to be using on top of this right here. But then as a bonus, I like to put this lemon essential oil right in here. I'm obsessed with the smell. It just smells amazing. And then I wrapped it up like a cute little sachet. Put it in your shoes overnight. You can definitely reuse these. You may want to spruce it up with a little more of your essential oil if you're choosing to use this. A little bit of vanilla extract, a baby oil, whatever you desire to give it a little extra va-va-voom. Okay, here's the trick. Once you've let this sit overnight, here is the key. Oh, and my favorite thing to use with this is a pantyhose. Yes, a pantyhose or a nylon, because it is super sheer and you may get just a little bit of droppings of baking soda in there. That's just fine. Your feet will smell better. But you absolutely need some of this right here. Can you guess what this is? You certainly could use vodka if you have that laying around, but this is just straight up rubbing alcohol. And why rubbing alcohol? Well, if you have stinky shoes, it's because there's moisture and then bacteria. You need something like alcohol to kill that bacteria. So once you put this in your shoes overnight, the next day, give it a good douse here with this rubbing alcohol. And if you can, let it sit out in the sun so that it can completely dry. Do this as often as you need to, and you will be oddly satisfied with this cute little trick right here. It's the little things that count when it comes to cleaning to make it somewhat more enjoyable, more entertaining, and getting you excited to get the job done. This is also a great conversation starter. Heck, you got new people coming over to your house. You can just secretly put some of these in their shoes, and when they come back after your party, they're gonna be like, what the heck is in my shoes? And you are going to say, you're welcome. Okay, that may be going a little bit too far. Let us know in that comments box below if you would do this. Maybe your friends would love it. Maybe they would hate it. They would thank you though when they came home and their shoes smelled fresher. If you're looking for a really clever method to get the whites of your shoes right here super white, no joke, my friend. It works like instantaneously almost. Click this video on screen now. Give the video a thumbs up. Sign up for the free weekly cleaning hack newsletter so that you'll be the first to know. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.